back, another episode. Jill and I are gonna go do a little coffee meeting in the city, and then it's Friday, so I think we're gonna do some wine tasting. Maybe just explore a little bit. This is the outfit. Hi vlog, back again. Jill and I were supposed to go to a Jacob Banks show tonight in Boston. The show was canceled last minute, so instead we are gonna just go wander and see what we can get into. Probably go to a bookstore, go figure. This is the outfit. We've got the Frankie Shop pants, Emmy Studios t-shirt, diesel bag, the usual suspects for the jewelry. So let's go. Jill and I are doing dinner on the patio tonight, so I'm trying to find some flowers so that I can put them on our table. It's the current mission. We got the rosé. Sunday. What time is it? It's 4. vlog. We are making we are making Meghan Markle's one pot pasta from the show With Love, Meghan, which by the way I loved. I don't care about all you haters. We loved it. Let's go. First wine. It is the first day it hasn't been raining in Boston in okay, first day it hasn't been raining in Boston all week, and it's gonna rain again all next week, so yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh.
So we're getting outside. We're gonna go touch some grass. Yes, it is. It's gonna rain. What are we doing differently for this recipe?
We're adding bone broth instead of water. And basil.
Oh. Okay, but actually, pro tip for when you're cooking, if you're cooking anything in water, substitute it for something like a chicken broth, a bone broth, even like a beer or a wine. It adds more flavor if you're cooking in water.
Or protein.
What?
Bone broth protein.
Yeah, bone broth. I was like, what? Yes. Okay, now we got some garlic bread going. Hello vlog, and welcome back to another episode. We are officially about 1 month away from our next move. So we've been in Boston for like 2.5 months, and then we are off to our next location, which we're not sure once again where that's gonna be. We never really know until probably like the week or two before we leave. We are, however, hoping to stay in the New England area, New England summer. I do know that Jill is looking into Maine and Connecticut and New Hampshire and in that general area. So yeah, we will have gone from the last year Santa Monica to Plymouth to Sacramento to Boston, and then we'll stay up in the New England area for the rest of the summer, hopefully. Not as stoked about living in Boston as I was hoping to be. I think part of the problem is we live outside Boston in one of the suburbs. I think if we were living in the city, it might have a different feel for us, but I don't like love the suburb area that we're in, even though we're by the water and that's pretty cool, but like it feels like what you would imagine a Boston suburb to look like. And now that we live here and seeing the cost of living, it's very similar to LA, which we were really trying to escape anyways. Not saying no to Boston forever, I'm just saying it's not quite what we thought, so maybe not gonna be where we end up for our permanent move. So we are still looking. In other news, we just selected our next book for our book club, the Band Literary Department. We're reading Garbage Town by Ravi Gupta. I'm excited about this one. If you want to join the book club, I will link it below. As always, everyone is welcome. We just started reading this book, so plenty of time to still hop on. Okay, we're just gonna keep it moving, Makeup updates. I have always wanted to try the brand Half Magic. It's owned by Donnie Davy. I hope I'm saying that right, but she is the genius behind the makeup looks from Euphoria. This is my first piece from them, and it is a shimmer eyeshadow stick. I can already tell you I'm obsessed. They're so easy to use. So I'm probably gonna be getting one in every color. And last but not least, some brand updates. We are slowly but surely trucking our way to a launch. I do think we are gonna be pushing it back. There's just so much changing with the tariff situation. We had some really good partners. However, the product that we wanted was fulfilling from China. Obviously, with the tariffs, we can't go that route, which is what I'm seeing with a lot of small businesses right now with the tariffs and everything happening. So we are just taking it slow to make the right decision. I can't afford to pay 145 or whatever percent tax on anything right now, and even if we could, then that price would just be put onto consumers, and no one's going to pay for that. It's just not a smart investment. So we're taking it slow and rethinking how we want to launch and with what products, which means some pivots are happening, but that's okay. It's still gonna happen. It just might be a little later than we originally planned. It's a little stressful, but it's all just a learning experience, and you know what? It's been a fun process so far. So that is sort of where we're at right now. Oh, not last, I guess next time you see us on the vlog, we are going to Indy 500, which I'm really excited about. We are going with my cousin and his wife, who you met in our very first episode when we went to Boston with them. So they live in Indianapolis and go to the Indy 500 every single year. So this will be Jill and I's first time going with them. It's gonna be really fun. And that's what you will see in our next episode. And then the following episode after that, we are moving. So once again, it's raining. It's always fucking raining.